Greetings everyone, this is the voice of moods that may I say. And me just say, so them I feel grateful for life and give thanks for all the support that I get over the years from my old friends and my new friends and family, loved ones, people who I know for a long time. So, I have a thing now named Jamaica, where am I? Where in Jamaica am I? Anybody can guess where am I? Just look on this video and tell me where you think I am. If you get it right, $100 credit. Type if you want it. This is Jamaica, where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Anybody tell me which part I'm there right now? Get $100 digital credit. Oh, joke. Where in Jamaica is this? Where in Jamaica is this? Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding. Ding dong, ding dong, ding, ding dong. And I'm morning still, but the place bright enough. Where in Jamaica is this? Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding. Yeah man, no joke. Digital credit. $100 sent to your phone. Where in Jamaica is this? Anybody get it right for someone the credit? Just comment in the comment section. Where in Jamaica is this? Where am I? So big up everybody Sunday morning. Don't know. Out and about. Sun get warm you know. Like a fireball upon the water, but it's not really hot yet. Yeah man, so where am I? Leave a comment.